Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I'm going to be showing you how I made this adorable Halloween gift bag. So this gift bag I made using the Simply Made Crafts gift bag box template that you can download, and the link for that will be in the description bar below, so go and click on that link and it will give you all the details. To decorate it, I've used a majority of the Happy Haunting collection plus a winter scene die set that is a Christmas die set from Simply Made Crafts. And yeah, I really enjoyed putting this together. So the gates open at the front like that, and how cute is that? And yeah, I absolutely love it. So if you want to know how we put this together using the template, then let's get started. You have the new Happy Haunting digital download, then you can print your template on one side and then pop this back into your printer and print off the paper, you know, the design on the other side. So that's what I have done. Now I have printed this out on the Creative Craft white super smooth A4 cardstock, and this is 300 GSM. Went through my printer no trouble, and I've just got your standard HP printer, nothing special, and this went through really nicely. I've added my score lines. You will also need to cut 2 pieces of your paper. Again, I've printed this, and you'll need 2 for the front and back, and it will tell you on the top here, 7.5 inch squared for the front and the back, and then for the handle you'll need 11 inch by 1/2 inch for your handle. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to use for my handle in just a little while. So we've got our front and back, we've got our 2 sides panels, and then we've got our base for our bag. So we're going to start putting this together, and then I'm going to decorate it and show you what we're going to be using for that. So we have one of the side panels here. What we're going to do is we're going to add our glue to this side first. So I'm going to grab my bookbinding glue that is from Creative Craft to get one of these 7.5 inch squared panels and line them up like so. And we're going to get the other side panel and we're going to add glue to this tab here, and that's going to get glued underneath there. And then we're going to add this other piece to there. We need to join these 2 together. So again, adding glue to this tab, and then we're going to just join that up. Okay, so there we go. So this is going to be my front now because I got a bit of glue there, so that's annoying, but it's okay because we're going to add some decorative pieces anyway, so that's fine. It's going to get covered up. So now we need to add our base, the bottom. So we're going to add glue onto this piece. I'm going to place this on where the front of my bag will be and just slot that in there, tuck that in like so, and then we can glue that, and then these side panels just get tucked in like that. Okay, So for the handles, I'm actually using the Simply Made Crafts Decorative Fittings die set, and this is the larger handle. So I'm actually going to cut 2 of these out and get them attached, and I'm thinking I might just glue them in. I'm not entirely sure, so I'm going to do that and then I'll come back. Okay, so there we go. I've added my handles and I used the cobweb design. So what I want to do now is I want to decorate it. So for the decorative pieces, the die sets I have used is the Tombstone gift bag die set, and with this one I've used the grass here. I'm not entirely sure. I may go in and use the smaller pumpkins. I don't know yet. Then I used the Winter Scenes die set for the big tree, but you could use the smaller tree out of the Haunted House Lantern die set if you didn't have this one. And then I've also used this to make my house, and I've also used the fence and the roof. And I'm also using the new ephemera pieces from Simply Made Crafts. So for this, I'm using the Halloween Horror ephemera pack and the Spooky Webs ephemera pack. So here we have some of the ephemera that I've had on screen. So here are some of the cobwebs, absolutely gorgeous. So I have got my house here, so I just cut the front out, die cut the windows out, and yeah, so that's going to go on there. So I've kind of roughly got an idea of how I want it setting out. I want the tree here, the house there, then I want some fence panels to go across all the way across the front, but I want these two to open. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and decorate this. When I've done that, I will come back and show you the finished result. These gates open at the front to reveal the house, and I just think it is adorable and I absolutely love it. So there we go, guys. That is how to make the gift bag using the Simply Made Crafts gift bag box template that you can download, and using some of the Happy Haunting dies and papers. And I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and please join me for some more Halloween projects coming up very soon. Take care. Bye.